In this episode of Content is Power, I go into the truth. Hard work is lonely. I saw this post by Peter McKinnon, one of the most popular YouTube vloggers out there, and his post was called, "YouTube is the loneliest job I've ever had." Now, I was pretty surprised because I would imagine that someone who has that many followers, someone who has reached so many people, someone who has so much incoming, can be lonely. But I've seen that in founders too. Founders who've made it, founders who haven't, founders who are in the process of making it, whatever that means for you. When you commit to something, when you choose to build something, when you choose to be really good at something, it is lonely. Deliberately practicing is lonely. Focusing on your craft is lonely. Focusing on getting better is lonely. I've seen people who've quit. I've known people who want to quit. I've known people who hear that same thought every day, which is, stop doing this. Why are you doing this? This is too hard. But they keep going because they're stubborn as fuck. I'm one of those people. Every other day, I'm like, why am I doing this? Why am I making videos, podcasts, everything, when I can't make any money off it because of my H1 situation, when I can't build a business? I work a day job. I think about it this way, which is, you are not your desire to quit. You are not your negativity. You are not your doubts. You are someone who can keep going even when those all come and crash onto you. It's hard to keep going. It's hard to be motivated. It's hard to do this. I'm walking right now from my house, which you can't see, to a restaurant because I just don't want to be alone right now. I made a video today. I'm making a second video today. I had a great day at work. I worked out. Everything's going fine, but sometimes you just need to realize that you can't keep going 24/7. And that's okay. That's 100% okay. Don't kill yourself working. Don't put yourself through so much misery thinking that you have to make it because Grant Cardone tells you to, that you end up burnt out. Give up. This is just a small PSA I wanted to make. Alright. Thanks for watching.